Hey everybody, Kris Gethin here and Sunshine.
Hello.
And Sunshine is going to be assisting me today because, well, number one, she's a better cook. And number two, I've got my arm in a sling. I had surgery last week, so I am kind of restricted of what I can do, but we're still gonna pull through for you. We are gonna put together some good, wholesome, healthy smoothies that are high protein, but also perfect as a meal replacement. A lot of people think of meal replacements as being kind of chalky and something that you have to force down. These are very clean, lean, high in protein, of optimized protein, as well as some good carbohydrates and nutrients and fats needed to replace a meal for you. So let's get started with this first one. And this is gonna be like a breakfast kind of cashew milk smoothie. So I've got cashew milk. You can use almond milk, that's absolutely fine. I just prefer the cashew. And we've got vanilla extract that we're gonna be putting in, 1/4 cup of oat, a scoop of whey protein isolate, and a banana, half a banana, and some ice cubes. All right, so to begin with, what I like to do is always put the liquid in there first. If you put the powder in there, it could clump at the bottom. So we are going to just throw the ice cubes in there. Boom, easy. You can put as many or as little ice cubes in as you want to have that more slushy feel, or obviously more chunky feel, and definitely cooler. You want to have this cold. All right, so we got a cup. Look out, maybe I should be doing this. Okay, of cashew milk, but like I said, you can put almond milk in there if you want. Okay, and then we're gonna put in 1/4 cup of the oats. And Sunshine is gonna measure out a teaspoon. Wow, she's going to town today.
On it.
Of the vanilla extract. And then, you may need to help me here. I keep thinking I'm able-bodied. We've got 1 scoop of vanilla MicroPure whey protein isolate. Remember, this is naturally flavored. Less than 1 gram of lactose in there as well, so this will get optimized by your gut very efficiently. And then we got half a banana in there. I'll throw this lid on. You want to work this bad boy? A little bit faster. That should be it. So with the whey isolate, it mixes very, very easy. And all we wanted to do is grind up the oats a little bit, just to give it a nice liquidy texture. And voila, here is your meal replacement. Want to get a straw and try this out? How about 2 straws, and it'll be romantic. That is good. Really like the texture of having the oats in there as well. It gives it a kind of a nutty, wholesome sort of texture and feel.
Yeah, it kind of tastes like graham cracker, and then you have a little bit of banana in there. I think that vanilla extract really keeps up the vanilla. It's really good.
For sure. So what I suggest to people a lot of the time when they want to have a lot of supplements because they don't feel like they can eat too much, or eat enough, I should say, or because they're very, very busy, I'd always recommend that you have a solid meal and then supplement. Solid meal and then supplement if you're going to have a lot of supplements. So I'd suggest about 3 supplements, or 3 of these shakes a day, up to 3 shakes. And then obviously in between you'd have your solid meals. But that is a perfect meal replacement on the go. All right, if you like this recipe and you want to see more recipes like this, please like, comment, and subscribe.